Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Canva Magic Design with brand kit automation step by step clearly. To get started with Canva Magic Design and set up your brand kit automation, first, log in to your Canva account. If you don't have one, create an account by visiting the Canva website. Once logged in, navigate to the home page where you'll see the design templates. Next, find the Create a Design button on the top right section of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Select the Magic Design option from the available choices. This will take you to a new interface specifically for Magic Design. Now, choose the type of design you want to create, such as a social media post or a presentation. Once selected, Canva will prompt you to upload your brand assets. Upload your logo and any other relevant images you'd like to incorporate. After uploading, click on the Brand Kit tab located on the left sidebar. In the Brand Kit section, you'll see options to add your brand colors and fonts. Input your brand colors by clicking on the color boxes and using the color picker tool or entering hex codes. Next, to add your brand fonts, click on the Add a Font button. Select your desired font style from the list or upload your own if needed. Now, return to the Magic Design workspace. Canva will automatically generate design templates based on your uploaded brand assets and settings. Browse through the generated designs and select the one that resonates with your brand image. You can easily customize text, images, and layouts in the selected design. Once satisfied with your customization, click the Download button at the top right. Select your preferred file type from the drop-down menu. Finally, click Download again to save your design to your device. Congratulations! You have successfully set up Canva Magic Design with Brand Kit automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.